Good morning, all students of class 10. You are welcome in the mathematics class. We are solving similarity exercise 1, and today we will start from question number 6. In question number 6, this figure is given in which you are seeing DE is parallel to BC. Question number A, if DF by FC equal to 2 by 5, then find area of triangle FDE by area of triangle FBC. So first of all, we are asked to find out the ratio of areas of two triangles. Those two triangles are FDE and FBC. First of all, we will prove these two triangles are similar. So for that, we write the statement: in triangle FDE and triangle FBC, we are seeing angle DEF. This is angle DEF. That angle is equal to angle FBC, this angle, because reason is alternate angles. These two are alternate angles. Second, EDF, this angle is equal to angle FCB, this angle. These two are also alternate angles. So from a criterion of similarity, we can say triangle FDE is similar to triangle FBC. While these two triangles are similar, rule says then their ratio of corresponding sides will be equal. DE and BC are corresponding sides. EF and FB are corresponding sides. DF and FC are corresponding sides. So I wrote here DE by BC equal to EF by FB equal to DF by FC. You can match with this. DE by BC equal to DF by FC equal to EF by FB. That is equal to given DF by FC equal to 2 by 5. So all these ratios of corresponding side will be equal to 2 by 5 because all these are equal. And then ratio of areas of two similar triangles, that is area of triangle FDE by area of triangle FBC, that is asked in the question, equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides. Any one we can write from here because all these are equal to 2 by 5. So for more clarification, I took this ratio that is given in the question, DF by FC, that is equal to 2 by 5. DF by FC whole square equal to 2 by 5 whole square equal to 4 by 25. This became the answer. In question number B, we are asked to show area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle FDE by area of triangle FBC. So at first I came in these two triangles to say these two triangles are similar because this line is drawn to the parallel to the third side of the triangle, means DE is parallel to BC. We say if any line is drawn parallel to third side of the triangle, then those two triangles are similar. This statement or this result comes from basic proportionality theorem. Therefore I wrote here triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. In bracket I wrote from basic proportionality theorem. I repeat this concept: if any line is drawn parallel to the third side of the triangle, then we get two triangles, that is ADE and ABC, and these two triangles will be similar. While these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas, area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ABC, will be equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides. So DE and BC are the corresponding sides. So this area by this area equal to DE by BC whole square. And from this equation you are getting DE by BC equal to 2 by 5. So I kept this value here, D by BC equal to 2 by 5 whole square, that is equal to 4 by 25, and that 4 by 25 is equal to area of triangle FDE by area of triangle FBC proved. In question number 7, given that these two figures are there. In these two figures, angle B equal to angle Q, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C equal to angle R, and this M is the midpoint of QR. It means PM became the median and QM equal to MR. So I have written here all these given informations: angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R, and QM equal to MR, because M is the midpoint. This information is also available. AB is to PQ equal to 7:4. AB is to PQ, that is equal to 7:4, means the ratio of the corresponding sides are given. Then find area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PMR. This PMR. So first of all, I proved these two triangles ABC and PQR, these two are similar. Because given angle B equal to angle Q given, and angle C equal to angle R, that is also given. So from a criterion of similarity we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Since these two triangles are similar, therefore the ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. AB and PQ are corresponding sides, AC and PR are corresponding sides, BC and QR are corresponding sides. So ratio of all these corresponding sides will be equal. For that I wrote here, after proving these two triangles are similar, then I wrote AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to BC by QR equal to 7/4. That is given in the information. AB by PQ equal to 7:4, AB by PQ equal to 7:4, and this 7:4 is equal to AC by PR as well as BC by QR. Now ratio of areas of triangle ABC and PQR equal to square of ratio of the corresponding sides. For that I have taken BC by QR. You can take anyone, but I have some idea from BC by QR, so I took this one, BC by QR whole square. Now area of triangle ABC by this PQR we can write area of triangle PQR is equal to twice of area of triangle PMR, because median divides area of the triangle into two equal halves. So area of triangle PQM will be equal to area of triangle PMR. So for this, instead of this triangle area of triangle PQR, I wrote here twice of area of triangle PMR, that much equal to 7/4. I kept the value BC by QR 7/4 whole square. Any corresponding side you can take, no problem. After that I calculated it, 49/16. Here was twice of area of triangle PMR. So this 2 8 just 16. I cancelled it, and I am getting area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PMR equal to 49/8. This is the answer. In question number 8, this figure is given. In this figure, given informations are angle ABC equal to angle AED and angle ACB equal to angle ADE. If AB by AE equal to 9/5, find area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ADE. So first of all, I proved these two triangles are similar. For that I have used the given informations, and then now this part is, I think this part is easy for you. You can understand how do we use a criterion of similarity to prove these two triangles are similar. So this part I left. As you proved these two triangles are similar, then next we write the ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. AE and AB are corresponding sides. How do we understand? Here we are saying this angle and this angle are equal, and at this place this angle is common. So these two became the corresponding sides. Similarly, AD and AC, this is corresponding sides, because this angle equal, and this angle is common for each. And what is left? DE and BC, so these two are also corresponding side. Here is the angle, here is the angle, here is the angle, here is the angle. So DE and BC are also corresponding sides. So I wrote the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal for that AE by AB equal to AD by AC equal to DE by BC equal to here AB by AE is given, but we are getting here AE by AB. Here AB by AE is given, but we are getting here AE by AB. So AB by A equal to 9 by 5. So AE by AB became equal to 5 by 9, and this is equal to AD by AC and DE by BC. Now we come to our question. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ADE. For that we need the side of ABC, that is AB, this one, and side of ADE, that is AE, this one. So again I wrote there AB by AE whole square. This part also you know, while after writing this ratio of corresponding sides we come to the ratio of areas of those two triangles, that is equal to square of ratio of the corresponding sides. AB is the side of ABC, A is the side of ADE, these two are corresponding sides, so square of this, and this became equal to 9 by 5. Here AE by AB equal to 5 by 9, so we can write AB by AE equal to 9 by 5 whole square. 9 9 is 81, 5 5 is 25. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ADE is equal to 81 by 25. This became the answer. So in all these explanations we have 3 paragraphs till here. First of all, we will prove the triangles are similar. Which triangle? The triangles those are asked in our questions. In this question ABC and ADE are, so we proved at first these two triangles are similar. Then I wrote the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Then we went to the question, that is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ADE equal to how much? So if these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of these two triangles will be square of ratio of their corresponding sides. So ratio of the corresponding sides is AB by AE square of that AB by AE whole square, that is 9 by 5 equal to 81 by 25.